Hello guys, this is Olushola David. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different ways at which you can earn passive income with your cryptocurrency from your Binance account. All right. So if you have a Binance account, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 different ways at which you can earn passive income, make extra income with the crypto you have in your Binance account without doing anything. You don't have to trade. You don't have to do spot trading. You don't have to do futures trading. All you simply have to do is nothing, and your crypto is going to keep making you extra income from your Binance account. All right. So if this is something you would like to do, if you like to make this passive income with your Binance account, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question about this video, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can start making passive income with the cryptocurrency you already have in your Binance account. So before you start making money with this method, you have to have some crypto already in your Binance account. So it's what you have already that's going to help you generate more passive income. And the best part is all of this method are totally safe. So you don't have to worry about losing your money to high risk investment. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is I'm going to add a short video by Binance to help explain and break every process down, so you know exactly what it is you need to do and start making this passive income. All right, so let's check the video out.
Earn profits with Binance Savings. Binance Savings is a financial product allowing users to benefit from competitive interest rates. All you need to do is transfer your crypto into Binance Savings wallet to earn profits, and your deposit can be redeemed at any time. Let's suppose you have 100 idle USDT. You can use them as your initial capital and generate interest daily. You just need to transfer it to your Binance Savings account. How does it work? Click on Finance, Binance Earn, and choose Savings. To enter Binance Savings page, you will see your savings balance, cumulative profit, and saving history on the top right corner. You can now transfer your 100 USDT to either flexible savings or locked savings. 1. Flexible Savings. Flexible Savings is your crypto savings wallet. Click on Transfer on USDT row. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer into your flexible savings wallet. You will see the estimated interest for your order. Click on Transfer Confirmed to transfer your crypto to your Binance Flexible Savings account. When you turn on Auto Transfer, the system will automatically transfer all the available crypto from your spot account to flexible savings. You will find it in your savings asset. When you want to redeem your USDT, click on Redeem. Your initial amount and generated profit will be sent to your spot wallet immediately. 2. Locked Savings. Compared to flexible savings, locked savings provides higher profits. The longer you deposit your crypto, the higher profit you will get. Let's suppose you choose a duration of 14 days for USDT. Then click on Transfer. Lot size refers to the total amount of crypto you transfer in one transaction. Enter 1 lot, and the system will automatically calculate the expected interest at maturity. Click on Transfer Confirmed, and the amount will be transferred to your locked savings account. After 14 days, 100 USDT will be redeemed automatically with the profit generated. You will find it in your spot wallet. How simple and flexible to earn profits with Binance Savings. Launch Pool. What is Binance Launch Pool? When users stake their crypto assets in the DeFi projects, such as provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, they will get rewards. This is called yield farming. Binance introduces Launch Pool, a new product to allow users to farm new assets. And users will be able to acquire new token rewards in return for staking BNB, BUSD, and other tokens. How to participate in a new project. Open Binance official website, Binance.com. Click this button in the navigation menu and select Launchpad. Choose the Launch Pool tab to find all Launch Pool projects. You can also find Launch Pool under the Earn section. Let's try with Flamingo BNB as an example. Flamingo BNB means to stake BNB to farm the new token Flamingo FLM. Click Stake Now. You can see the project reward information and the estimated annual percentage yield APY shown on the screen. There is also a project end time shown at the top of the page. My Funds shows your staked assets, and Available shows your available balance on your spot wallet. You can also buy the crypto asset required for staking by clicking Buy BNB. By clicking Stake, users can stake BNB to farm FLM, and users may redeem the assets at any time by clicking Redeem. Under Staking History, you will be able to find all your staking rewards. My Rewards show your earned rewards which are unclaimed. Note that rewards are updated every hour. Users can click Claim Rewards to claim your earned tokens to your spot wallet at any time. Users can view their claimed rewards or distribution history by clicking Claim History. That's super easy, right? By staking your tokens like BNB or BUSD, etc., you can farm new tokens and win rewards. Launch Pool, a secure way to farm new assets. BNB Vault. About BNB. BNB is a token issued by Binance. It runs in Binance's ecosystem and is the native token of Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. BNB has multiple use cases. For example, we can use it to pay for network transactions on Binance Chain. Within the Binance Exchange ecosystem, it is used as a utility token that allows users to receive discounts when paying for their trading fees. It can also be used as offline payment in some areas. What's BNB Vault? Binance introduced a new product, BNB Vault. One-click earning for your BNB holdings. BNB Vault is a capital guaranteed investment product with an easy-to-use interface. It can help users maximize the income potential of your BNB from both centralized and decentralized finance in just one step by integrating various Binance products and the Binance ecosystem. Also, it allows BNB hodlers to maximize the yields and get all the benefits from every opportunity available. With simply one click on BNB Vault, BNB will be flexibly allocated in different products to help users maximize the potential rewards. You can easily stake BNB with the following features. Easy to stake. One-click earning of multiple income benefits. Flexible to remove your assets whenever you want. How to subscribe to BNB Vault. Click Finance, Binance Earn, and click BNB Vault page. On the product page, click Stake to subscribe to BNB Vault. Read and tick the service agreement and input the amount of BNB you wish to stake. You can then participate in BNB Vault with just one click and enjoy high returns. And you can click Unstake to unblock the corresponding assets at any time. You can choose Fast Redemption or Standard Redemption. Fast Redemption means you can redeem your assets on the same day. Standard Redemption means your assets will arrive the next day, but you can still earn today's reward. What benefits can I get from BNB Vault? Your staked BNB assets can be viewed under My Shares. Details on your rewards are displayed under My Rewards. And click Distribution History. You can find your distribution record history. BNB Vault works as a BNB yield aggregator that combines the multiple income benefits of Launch Pool, savings, DeFi staking, and more through just one interface. BNB Vault also unlocks the potential of creating a series of products around BNB in the future. Your rewards will be distributed to your spot wallet. With BNB Vault, you still get access to the standard advantages of holding BNB, such as airdrops, launchpad eligibility, and VIP benefits. Explore BNB Vault, a new feature on Binance Earn that combines the multiple income benefits with simply one click. Binance Locked Staking. Locked staking refers to the process of locking your digital assets on a proof-of-stake blockchain for a certain period of time. This not only contributes to the network, but also provides you staking rewards. More specifically, proof-of-stake is a consensus mechanism that selects block validators based on the number of coins they stake. The more coins at stake, the higher the rewards. Binance Locked Staking provides an easy way for hodlers to stake and earn rewards. Let's check it out. How to stake on Binance. First, log into your Binance account. Next, find the Finance tab at the top. Go to Binance Earn, then select Staking. Here, you can see all the locked staking tokens with an estimated annual percentage yield, duration days, and minimum locked amount. Choose the asset you want to stake, adjust the duration, then click on Stake Now. On the next page, you'll find all the details about the selected staking offer. The page will show the estimated annual percentage yield for each duration, allowing you to pick the best offer for you. The estimated annual percentage yield is adjusted daily based on the on-chain staking rewards. During the staking period, your assets will be locked on-chain, so you won't be able to withdraw or perform any transactions with the allocated assets. Available amount shows the available balance in your spot wallet that you can use to stake unlocked staking. There is a minimum required limit for staking, and if your balance is lower than that, you won't be able to stake. Once you purchase the product successfully, interests are calculated starting at 0 hours UTC the following day. The interests are distributed to the spot wallet every day after 0 hours UTC. When the process is complete, the staked assets will be redeemed automatically, and the funds return to your spot wallet. After confirming the details, enter the locked amount you want to stake, and then click on Confirm Purchase to complete the process. You will find the details under Earn Locked Staking. If you want to redeem your assets before the end of the process, click on the Redeem Earlier button. Please note that unlocking your staked assets requires a specific time based on the specifications of the chain you're staking on. Binance Locked Staking allows you to redeem assets the following day. However, it sometimes takes 48 to 72 hours to receive the tokens due to different global time zones. Remember that if you decide to redeem the locked staking products in advance, the interest you have generated will be deducted when your assets are returned. Binance Locked Staking, safe investments with higher rewards.
Alright, so as you can see, what you are basically doing is using the existing cryptocurrency you have in your Binance account to make additional income for you. Alright, so what you're simply doing is using or letting the money you have already to work and make you extra passive income. All right, so finally, the fifth way at which you can make passive income with your Binance account is through affiliate marketing. So I did a video on how to promote Binance affiliate marketing, so I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around here. So what you want to do is you want to click the video, then watch the video and see how you can make extra income to your Binance account by promoting the Binance as an affiliate. All right, so this is basically how you can make extra buck or make passive income without trading on Binance. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.